How to buy best soil for roses. When buying the best soil for roses, you will discover countless options. However, not all will offer you precisely what you need. To ensure that you are on the right track, consider the best soil properties for rose plants. Consider soil aeration. Your rose plants will only prosper if you plant them into well-aerated soil. Right soil aeration means the air will reach the plant roots for a fitter and sturdy plant growth. Proper drainage. Proper drainage is essential as it ensures that your plant roots remain exposed to rotting risks. Water retention. The best soil for roses should be to create equilibrium between drainage needs and water retention. This will ensure your plant root never dry out or rot. Soil pH. The pH of your soil will determine the ease of minerals, nutrients, and water uptake by the plant roots. Make sure that the soil you are about to purchase has a balanced pH. Soil texture. Soil texture affects several things. For example, it determines the effort needed to work on the soil before planting seedlings. Also, it determines how well or poorly the soil in question can hold water. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.